Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Measure.
What does the dictionary say?
To ascertain the extent, dimensions, quantity, capacity, etc., especially by comparison with the standard.
Math rap.
When the size or amount is not sure, that is when you need to measure. To find the number of its extent or quantity, its dimensions or capacity.
Math rap.
Why was the broken ruler kicked out of his kingdom? He didn't measure up. Explain measure in your own words. What professions require daily measuring of things? How many things in your home can be measured? Why? Choose 3 objects around you to measure right now. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!